always hurt. The feeling I felt when you told me how many times you dropped your skirt. For them other players, that's the reason why I hate you. I'm forever dogging your ass because of that behavior. The type of shit you did to me should be against the law. You made my heart freeze and I'll never let it thaw. You put me on Front Street in front of all your neighbors. Gave that pussy up to players acting like they heavyweights. Why? Girl, tell me why. Did you have to do me this way? You know you ain't have to do me this way, huh? You gave what you told me was miles away. I thought you said it was only mine. Come in my face and apologize. Think I'm taking you serious? I can see that you're not sorry, all in your eyes.
Girl, you beautiful, girl, you jive me with the truth, but you was a lie. You a motherfucking killer, you don't give a fuck. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks. You a motherfucking killer.
Fuck over who? I'm so over you. I do what it does. I'm so overdue. Domestic violence. Rolling on the floor with you. Get the fuck head first, just like I'm supposed to do. Fighting with a female. Look, check my details. She put me at the bottom. Got a nigga pre-fail. Drove like a seatbelt. I hope you weave well. Get the fuck off my chat. Delete you from my email. I know what your key spell. Left a nigga paint scratch. Cool. I'ma get your new boyfriend to paint that. Black teacher bulls and niggas rockin' Saints head. Fire to fire. No nigga can't match. Ain't none of us can't whack. I hire Mary Jane fake. Faggot ass female, but you don't like the same sex. Told your best friend you got tired of the same dick. You left it, you came quick. M2M nigga.
You beautiful, girl, you jive. We was the truth, but you was a lie. You a motherfucking killer and you don't give a fuck. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks, pair of belly bucks. AK-47 and a pair of belly bucks. You a motherfucking killer.